Hey everyone, very warm welcome to all of you. So I'm back with the another interview question. All right, so this time we have the famous table, and in this table we have few users and the few followers of them. Okay, so the you can say the user ID has the follower IDs 2, and the user ID 1 has another follower which is follower ID 3. Okay, but the another thing is the followers also are users. Okay, so basically the follower id 2 is also a user, the follower id 3 is also a user, the follower id 4 is also a user. Okay, as you can see the user id is 2 and the follower id is 2 is same. Okay, so if we have to calculate the percentage of each user, you know how much famous is, how much percentage of the follower weightage. Okay, like user id 1 has how many followers in terms of percentage, user id 2 has how many followers in terms of percentage. Okay, so for that matter we want two things: how many users have uh, how many followers. Okay, and what is the total number of the total distinct users, unique users. Okay, so first of all we will find the distinct users. Okay, so as we can see, these are the users id, and these they are also the users id. So that means that the whole table contains all the users. Okay, so we will create a table, we will create a result set in which we will extract all the distinct users and will get a count of them. All right, so let's write the query user id from famous, and we will use a union because uh, with the help of union we will get the unique values. Okay, so select from famous and the follower id. Okay, so it will join both the result sets and we have the unique values of the user. So these are the all users, so we'll rename this as a distinct users. Okay, all right, now what we want to check how many users have uh, how many numbers of followers. All right, so let me open a table for you. All right, so as you can see the user id 1 has 2 followers. Okay, that means user id has 1 has 2 followers, user id 5 has 2 followers, user id 13 has 2 followers, 14 has 2 followers. So very simple, what we're gonna do here is we'll use the user id column and we're gonna get a count of them and group by user id. All right, so this will create another CTE as. All right, so as followers, sorry, typo. All right, so select asterisk from CTE 2. All right, so the user id 1 has 2 followers, user id 2 has 1 follower, user id 5 has 2 follower, 11 has 1 and 12 has 1, 13 2 2 2. Okay, so now we have both the things. So how many users have, how many followers have particular users. Okay, so now we're gonna create a calculation to get the percentage. Okay, so first of all we will get the column of user id and now we're gonna create a percentage. Okay, so the percentage would be like this: followers multiply by 100 divided by, we're gonna divide it by the count of the distinct users. Okay, select count from distinct users. All right, so let's put the brackets. All right, as percentage followers. All right, so let's run this query. So this is the percentage. Okay, so as you can see we extract the user id column from the CTE2 table and we multiplied this by the 100 and we converted into the float value followers, and the followers are the value where we have count the number of followers of per user. Okay, then we extract the count of the distinct users, the unique values from the user ID column, and how many users we have. Alright guys, thank you for so much for your time, and if you hope you have learned something. If you have any query or any doubt, so you can put in the comments, and if you like the video, just please subscribe. Alright, thank you so much for your time. Have a good day.